The Fisherman. It is a story from a European folklore about a fisherman who destroyed him. There was an old fisherman. He was so old and sick that he could not go to sea for fishing. He caught a few fish in nearby rivers every day and sold it in market for a living. He was very poor. One day, he saw a huge divine bird with silvery feathers called Kaha near his hut. The bird felt kind to the old fisherman and said that it would bring a big fish every evening so that the fisherman need not go to fishing every day. True to its words, the bird brought a big fish every evening to the fisherman. The fisherman sold the fish in market for huge money and became very rich at time with his own cottage and many servants. The king of the country lost his eyes and wanted blood of divine bird Kaha to wash his eyes to get his sight back. The king offered half of his kingdom and treasury for those who help him to catch the divine bird Kaha. The fisherman then decided to become richer. He told the king about Kaha and asked his soldiers to help him to catch the bird. The soldiers hid in the cottage of the fisherman. When Kaha arrived with a big fish next evening, the fisherman went its one leg and called the hidden soldiers to help him. But Kaha was too smart for the fisherman and he flew towards the ungrateful fisherman, clutching to his leg. Nobody knew what happened to the fisherman later. Moral: there are two models in this story. One, greed breeds greed and leads to ruinous deeds. Two, bad company makes life a sad symphony. Thank you.